How to fix Google Chrome app automatic close on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Google Chrome app automatic close on any Android phone. First, just open settings and then go to apps and now apps again, and then open Chrome, and here just go to storage, clear cache, and then go to permissions, enable all those permissions here, and now go this one here, force stop, click on it and click force stop, and that's it. Now just go back and try again and your problem must be fixed, and that's it. If that doesn't fix your problem, go back here to storage and click manage storage. Now just click this one, clear all data, and your problem will be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.